Now we're here at the Mammoth Campground, just inside the, well, actually Mammoth Springs, Mammoth Hot Springs, just about 5 miles inside the north entry to the park. Nice campground. No power or electric, but they have potable water. Heated restrooms, very nice. Elk strolling through this morning. Beautiful morning, night, great view, as you can see. Headed off to Old Faithful. See you later. On day 2, we left Mammoth Campground at about 7 a.m. and beelined it to Old Faithful, a distance of about 55 miles, in an effort to beat the crowds. We arrived at about 8:30 and had front row seats and parking. The geyser went off at about 8:40, and we had the added bonus of a bison grazing about 30 feet in front of the stands. The bison didn't flinch when Old Faithful went off. What a sight! 2 iconic images of Yellowstone in one picture. Unfortunately, we were unable to get any interior shots of the Old Faithful end, as they were closed until June the 6th. As Old Faithful started to fizzle out, a ranger came up and started to move the spectators back. She said she was getting a little too nervous with the closeness of the bison. No one in the crowd disagreed with her. We then tried to run the table on a lower circle, hitting Kepler Cascades, Black Sands Basin, Biscuit Basin. Fairy Falls Trail was closed due to recent bear activity. Fountain Paint Pots, Firehole Canyon Road, had lunch at the Gibbon River, Artist Paint Pots, the Grand Canyon, Norris Geyser Basin before heading home to Mammoth Campground. It was a long day. After Old Faithful, we stopped at the Kepler Cascades. This is Black Sand Geyser pullout. Looks like a Caribbean lake of fire, or sea. Just the blue. Well, I hope the colors come out of this. And then you can see the sulfur or something run out, iron, all the orangey of the cliff over there. And the big pool. See if we can walk around to that. Yeah, you don't get the sulfur smell here. Then you get the creek flowing down the middle, and the geysers flowing off into the creek. So stay toasty standing here.
All throughout here, they're all.
Yeah, they're all laying over like that. So
Yeah.
the heat of the ground burns the roots, and then the wind just knocks the trees over.
See, look out here.
That's the theory.
The roots are white, so the trunks have already burned.
Yeah.
So I bet the next big wind, they'll just
Just
fall
knocks
over.
them over. And then the rim up there is the caldera,
Boundary.
the rim of the volcano. Larry, the science guy, can I call?
Yes. You have a PhD in thermogenics?
Thermogenics, yeah, degree here in Yellowstone. Guy's bubbling away out there. Well, they closed the Fairy Falls Trail on us. Evidently there's a bear there. Oh, there's a bison there. He's laying right behind that tree. Right after we left Fairy Falls, we saw firsthand why they closed the trail. There was a grizzly walking alongside the road. I tried as best I could to get a video of the bear. The rangers were rightfully chasing everybody away. The week before, while in Jackson Hole, we met Reagan, who had been at Yellowstone the week prior to us. She graciously provided us with her video of a grizzly. I guess you'd call that a herd of bison. And they're the American bison, according to the paper. They're originals. They're not imported. Amanda says this is National Park Mountain.
Elevation 7,500.
Elevation 7,500. And we're going down Fire Pit Road? What is it?
Firehole Canyon.
Firehole Canyon Road. See what kind of surprises are back here. Oh, beautiful stream. I think this is the Gibbon River and a little picnic area. We decided it was time to stop for lunch. All this heavy activity this morning. Besides, it's starting to get crowded now. It's noon, 12:15. Everywhere you pull off, it's already packed. So we missed Midland or Midway. Hopefully we can get back and get that tomorrow. But we were going to try to hit all of them up through Madison and then come back down tomorrow. But we'll see. What a beautiful day. Shirt sleeves, sun's out. Just beautiful colors. Anyway, I'm going to have lunch. See you later. Bye. I think the falls back there are the beginning of the Grand Canyon of the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. That's a ways down. There's the falls. And this is the midsection. Oh, it's 20 miles long. Steamboat Geyser, one of the largest in the world, shoots plumes up to 300 feet in the air, but it's unpredictable. It had been 22 days since the last eruption, and unfortunately it didn't go off while we were there. Right outside our camper up there, there's a elk. Camp host just drove through and said there's a calf too, but I haven't seen her.